I'm at Sam's Club doing 3 field agent gigs. The most common comment I get on my field agent videos is, "It's not worth it to drive all the way to Sam's Club to make $3." Well, now I'm making about 13. 2 of them are 10, one's a 3. That's not a crazy amount of money, but it's gonna only take me like 15, 20 minutes. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I do this. This is a side hustle I do every day. I think it's worth it, so check it out. So the first gig was kind of random. The first question was for hooks, like hooks that you put on the wall. So right there, it was in like the hardware section. So I got that. Now the next question was another random one. It was air conditioned air filters. So they're all set up here. Now for this gig, you have to take a picture of each pallet that contains the product they're asking for. So the pallet and the shelf on top, you have to line up the pallet in the middle. And then I got all the filters. And then the next question was for the smart home thermostats. Now, this is a problem you may run into if you start doing this side hustle, and that is that they ask for a product that's not there. This store, there was no smart thermostats anywhere. I looked everywhere. So I just took a picture of the smart camera. But before you send the gig, there's a section at the end for the notes. So I'm just going to write in the notes, took a picture of the cameras. There was no smart thermostats, and it'll get approved. If you just don't take a picture, it'll automatically think there's a missing picture and automatically reject your gig. Now, you could email support and you probably will end up getting paid for the gig, but it's annoying. So always take a picture of some. So now I got to do the trash bags. This was all the way on the other side of the store, which is kind of annoying. It's better when they're all close together so you don't have to walk back and forth. So now I'm doing the trash cans. There was a lot of trash bags, so I'm going from left to right, getting these pallets really quickly. I like doing gigs at Sam's Club because there's a lot of people there. It's a big warehouse. No one really pays attention to you, and you can take your pictures. No one bothers you. Staff has never came up to me, and I've done hundreds of gigs at this Sam's Club. So now this one is that's it. They wanted to know about the smart home thermostat, so I'm writing it in my notes. Just write in my notes. I asked an employee, there was no smart thermostats. I took a picture of the smart home cameras, and I'm still walking. Notice when I'm doing these gigs, 3 gigs in a row, I'm not stopping, I'm not wasting time at all, and I'm deliberately walking in one route around the store so I don't go back and forth, or at least trying to. Next gig was for sauces and seasonings. So they wanted a barbecue sauce, hot sauce, stuff like that, not ketchup. They didn't ask for condiments. They asked for sauces and marinade. So I'm not taking a picture of the mustard or the ketchup or the mayo, just barbecue sauce, stuff like that. And then checking if there's anything on the other side. Now, the next question is for the seasonings. Now, I knew the seasonings was by the pharmacy aisle, and the pharmacy aisle is my next gig is for deodorant and body wash and stuff. So then I'll go to the pharmacy, and then I'll walk right out. So we're doing the seasonings. Now, they ask for a pallet, but there's no pallets here. It's just stuff on the shelf. The trick is to line it up with the pallets on top. There's pallets on top. Use that as reference. Line it up when there's just shelves. Now, the next gig's for personal care items, deodorant, body wash, stuff like that. Notice it's a lot of pictures. You may get overwhelmed, but once you've done so many of these, it's really quick. You're kind of like a machine, and you could take your pictures while you're walking. I do like a side step. I had to check. I wasn't sure if that was shampoo or body wash, so I found the body wash, and now I'm going after each of these questions. They ask if there's a display. None of the products so far had a display except for the razors that I'm about to do. So I'm just walking side to side, getting my pictures, being quick. There was a lot of body wash products. It was a lot of pictures, so I got that. And then now they wanted to ask for lip care and shave care. So the lip care was kind of hard to find, but I knew where it was because I've done this gig probably like 50 times. So there was like a thing of Burt's Bees. So I got the one picture of that. And your phone, depending on what phone you're using, my phone's new iPhone 17, so you could zoom out pretty far. So by zooming out, you could get a good view of the shelf without having to move back, or if it's tight shelves. And then that's it. Now I'm heading back to the car for the recap. So there it is. I did all 3 gigs in about 20 minutes. I'm not counting the long line I waited to get my hot dog for $1.61. So 2 of the gigs were 3. One of the gigs was 5. So that's $11 minus $1.60 for my lunch. If you want to start doing field agents, sign up with the link down below.